evening. Hi, Lynn. Can you hear me, Lynn?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay, so today, Lynn, let us talk about future. Okay, our topic for today is about future. Let us talk about future, our future. Okay? So we have here, Lynn, some of the topic in day 10. We have future plan, our future plan. Okay, what will be our future plan? Okay, so future plan. So we have vocabulary, do the laundry, baseball, this one. Okay, do the laundry. Can you see, Lynn? Can you see what I share, Lynn? Lynn, can you see what I share?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so do the laundry, baseball, and basketball. Okay, so we have here. So we have here first the grammar about future tense, near future tense. Example, I feel exhausted. I am going to be ill. So the word I'm going to be ill is in the future tense. It's near future tense. I am going to be ill. Going to be ill. It's near future tense. Look, it's gray. It's going to rain. So this is again in the future tense. It's going to rain. Okay. Next, I'm going to travel in where? Tomorrow. Okay. I'm going to. That is again another future tense. Okay, do you understand? Lynn, do you understand me? Okay, so going to, this is actually present continuous, but this is in the future tense. Okay, you understand, Lynn?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so we have here. Okay, so these are the, as what teacher Ann told you, the usage for present continuous tense. Okay, always remember when we say present continuous, that is with ing. Okay, the is, are, okay, am, plus the verb, plus the ing. Like, I am talking. I am staying. The child is always crying. So this is in the present continuous. Okay? So we talk here about present continuous. Okay? Describe something which is happening at the exact moment of speech. Okay? Jim is watching television at the moment. Jim is watching television at the moment. Describe an action that is taking place now, but now, not the exact moment of speech. John is working in London. John is working in London. Okay. Describe an event planned in the future. I'm taking my French class on Tuesday. To describe a temporary situation, I'm staying with a friend for a few days. To emphasize the frequency of an action, that child is always crying for no good reason. To describe changing situation, her health is improving by leaps bound. Okay, so you describe situation. You're talking about her health is improving. This is present continuous. Use is improving. Okay. Emphasize frequency of action. How frequent? How frequent? It is always crying. So how frequent? Always crying. Okay. So to describe the temporary situations, I am staying with a friend. Where are you right now? I am staying with a friend. To describe an event planned in the future, Okay, what is your event that you plan in the future? I am taking my French class on Tuesday. To describe action that is taking place now, but not at the exact moment of speech. John is working in London. To describe something which is happening at the exact moment of speech, Jim is watching televisions at the moment. Okay? So these are the present continuous. Okay, when you say present continuous, again, it all take in the present tense. Is, are. He is playing. Okay, if it's negative, he is not playing. Negative, Lin. Okay, if it's question, is he playing? Okay, did you get this, Lin? Lin, do you understand this? Lin, can you hear me? Did you understand this? Lin, where are you?
Yes. Yes, teacher.
Okay, okay. So here. Now choose the correct answer. Okay, please encircle the correct answer. Irina.
Teacher, I'm finished.
Okay, tonight. Okay, I am going to stay home. I've rented a video. I am going. I feel dreadful. I'm going to be sick. Okay, where are you going? Okay, I'm going to see a friend. He is not taking part in this contest because he is ill. So, of course, this is negative because he is ill. So, of course, negative is the answer. We, the school next year. We are building the school next year. Okay, next one. Please hear, Lynn, please listen to the video so we can answer in the text.
What are you doing this weekend? Do you want to go shopping with me?
That sounds great. When do you want to go?
How about Saturday morning?
I'm making breakfast for some friends at 9. Then I'm doing laundry from 11 to noon.
Saturday afternoon.
I'm taking an art class from 1 to 3. How about 3:30?
No, I'm exercising with a friend from 3 to 4. Then I'm going to the movies at 5 with my sister.
Sunday morning?
I'm visiting my parents until 10. Then I'm meeting a friend at the art museum until 1. Sunday afternoon?
I'm going to a baseball game with Bob at 1. How about late afternoon?
Around 5?
Great.
Hey, do you want to play basketball tomorrow?
Okay.
Okay. So, Lynn, did you hear it or you want to listen again?
Oh, okay, maybe.
Okay, it's okay, or you want to listen again? You tell me.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Okay, I listen again.
Okay, you want to listen? Okay, so this one.
What are you doing this weekend? Do you want to go shopping with me?
That sounds great. When do you want to go?
How about Saturday morning?
I'm making breakfast for some friends at 9. Then I'm doing laundry from 11 to noon.
Saturday afternoon?
I'm taking an art class from 1 to 3. How about 3:30?
No, I'm exercising with a friend from 3 to 4. Then I'm going to the movies at 5 with my sister.
Sunday morning?
I'm visiting my parents until 10. Then I'm meeting a friend at the art museum until 1. Sunday afternoon?
I'm going to a baseball game with Bob at 1. How about late afternoon?
Around 5?
Great.
Hey, do you want to play basketball tomorrow?
Okay.
Okay, what's this? Okay. So did you hear what they're talking about? So we have here the one who talk or do the conversations are the following. Okay, we have Marie, Cheryl, and of course we have Bob and Paul. Okay, so they are talking what they were going to do this weekend. Okay, let us see. So Marie said they're going this weekend. They want to go shopping with me. Okay, can we read it, Lynn? So I am Marie and you are Cheryl. Okay, ready? Lynn, can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
I am Marie. What are you doing this weekend? Do you want to go shopping with me?
That sounds great. When do you want to?
How about Saturday morning?
I'm making breakfast for some friend at 9. Then I'm going laundry from 11 to noon.
Saturday afternoon?
I'm taking an art class from 1 to 3. How about 3:30?
Oh no, I'm exercising with a friend from 3 to 4. Then I'm going to the movie at 5 with my sister. Okay, so
Monday morning?
I'm visiting my parents until 10. Then I'm meeting a friend at the art museum until 1. Sunday afternoon.
Great.
Okay. Okay, Sunday afternoon. Cheryl?
I'm going to a baseball game with Bob at 1. How about late afternoon?
Around 5?
Great.
Okay. Okay, so they are talking about where do they want to go in the weekend? So, what time they will go at the weekend? What day? On Sunday?
Sunday,
What time?
late afternoon.
Okay, late afternoon 5. Okay, we have here the task. What can you say, Lynn, about the picture? You tell me what you will say about the picture. Okay, what can you say about this? What can you say about the picture?
The picture is in the corner, in the
It is?
picture about mountain and the rock.
Mm-hmm.
And in the left there, in the corner of the left and the corner of the right, there are some grass and
Okay, so you can see the road is so straight. Okay. Okay. We have now the question. Please try to answer the question. If you want to listen the video or you want to check the conversation, you can tell me. Okay, please write your answer in the chat box. Okay?
teacher Carol's okay.
Okay. You want to see?
I want to listen again.
You want to listen again?
Yes.
Okay, wait me.
What are you doing this weekend? Do you want to go shopping with me?
That sounds great. When do you want to go?
How about Saturday morning?
I'm making breakfast for some friends at 9. Then I'm doing laundry from 11 to noon.
Saturday afternoon.
I'm taking an art class from 1 to 3. How about 3:30?
No, I'm exercising with a friend from 3 to 4. Then I'm going to the movies at 5 with my sister.
Sunday morning?
I'm visiting my parents until 10. Then I'm meeting a friend at the art museum until 1. Sunday afternoon?
I'm going to a baseball game with Bob at 1. How about late afternoon?
Around 5?
Great.
Hey, do you want to play basketball tomorrow?
Okay.
Oh, can I listen again?
Okay, okay.
What are you doing this weekend? Do you want to go shopping with me?
That sounds great. When do you want to go?
How about Saturday morning?
I'm making breakfast for some friends at 9. Then I'm doing laundry from 11 to noon.
Saturday afternoon.
I'm taking an art class from 1 to 3. How about 3:30?
No, I'm exercising with a friend from 3 to 4. Then I'm going to the movies at 5 with my sister.
Sunday morning?
I'm visiting my parents until 10. Then I'm meeting a friend at the art museum until 1. Sunday afternoon?
I'm going to a baseball game with Bob at 1. How about late afternoon?
Around 5?
Great.
Hey, do you want to play basketball tomorrow?
Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so let's go back to the questions. Okay, this one.
Teacher fish.
Okay, done. Okay, who does Cheryl want to go shopping with? It is actually Marie. Yeah, correct. What does Cheryl do on Saturday morning? Make a breakfast. Correct. When does Cheryl take an art class? 1 to 3 p.m. This is the schedule of Cheryl. Who is exercising with a friend from 3 to 4? Marie. We're going to have exercise. And what does Marie do on Sunday morning? Visit her parents. Is Cheryl going to the baseball game with Bob? Yes, that's correct. And what are Bob and Paul going to do together? We're going to play basketball. Okay, very good, Lynn. Okay, this one, Lynn. Please answer the questions. What can you see in this picture?
They are having a picnic. They are
They are
having a
they're having a picnic.
picnic.
Okay. Is having a barbecue weekend is having barbecue in the weekend popular in your country?
I think that's no.
Okay. No, it's not popular in your country to have barbecue. Barbecue day.
No.
Okay. So in my country, it's barbecue day is very popular. Now, what kind of activities do you want to do in the weekend? What kind of activities do you want to do in the weekend?
I want to watch some movie at home.
Okay. Who do you want to spend time with during the weekend?
I think that I want to be. I want to relax.
Okay, you want to relax. Okay. So, will you be lazy on Sunday? Will you be lazy on Sunday? Why and why not?
I think is no.
No. Okay. What program do you like to watch on TV in the weekend?
I like to watch cartoon.
Cartoon. Okay. So, do you think it is important to have a plan to follow?
Yes, it's make the work easier.
Okay. If you have a plan to follow, it makes the work easier. So, it's not that hard for you to do it because you have already a plan to follow. Okay, next one. Talk about your typical weekend. Can you talk about your typical weekend? Okay, your typical weekend, your Saturday and Sunday. What did you do on Saturday and Sunday? That's your typical weekend.
My typical weekend that I always have to study in my math class in the morning at 8 o'clock to 11, and then I eat eat lunch, and then when it's late afternoon, I have to study. I have to study the piano, and then
Mhm.
I study with you.
Okay. Wow, that's typical. So you study piano, Lynn?
Yes.
Wow, how many hours?
Just one.
Just 1 hour and you study piano. Well, that's very good. At least you study piano. That's already enough. Okay. Okay, so Lynn, let us have another topic. I will share to you another topic, Lynn. Let us have unit 9A for pre-intermediate. Okay, so look at this, Lynn. Look at these photos of gadgets A to D. Do you think they are good or bad ideas? Which is your favorite and why? So look at here. We have photo A to D. Which do you think your favorite and why? Which do you think? Which do you think your favorite and why? Lynn. Which do you think your favorite and why? Okay. Look at the photo of gadgets. Do you think they're good or bad idea? Which is your favorite and why? Which do you think? Akilin, you have your answer?
Oh, I cannot see the.
Oh, you didn't see? Wait, sorry. Oh, okay, that one. Okay, that one, Lynn.
Oh,
That one.
I think uh, they are a good idea, and my favorite is the dog water fountain.
Okay, the dog
Dog
water
water.
fountain. Why do you like dog water fountain?
Because it can train your dog to know when they're thirsty, they can use the dog water fountain to drink.
Okay, so it could be, that could be nice. Dog water fountain. Okay. So we have here different vocabulary. We have aluminum, cardboard, and ceramic. Okay. Next, we have concrete. This one is copper and the iron. Of course, we have leather, nylon, and the rubber. Okay. Next, we have steel, stone, and wood. So, check the meaning of the words below, then listen and repeat. Okay.
Unit 9, Lesson 9A, Exercise 2.
Aluminium, cardboard, ceramic, concrete, copper, glass, gold, iron, leather, nylon, paper, plastic, rubber, steel, stone, wood.
Okay. So we have the aluminum cardboard. Which do you think that uses aluminum here?
I think that is sandal.
Okay. So which materials do you use to make these gadgets? How about glass? Which do you think that uses glass?
Is glass
Yes.
and maybe plastic.
Okay. Plastic, rubber, and steel. Okay, next one. Plastic, nylon, rubber, and wood. Okay. Aluminum, glass, plastic, and plastic, nylon, and rubber. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, Lynn, please try to go out in Zoom and get in again, okay? Okay, please, I will wait you in Zoom.